In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert digital signature in Google Sheets or documents. We'll start by getting your signature ready, then place it neatly in both Google Sheets and Google Docs so it looks clean and professional. First, make sure your signature is saved on your device as a transparent PNG. Transparency is important because it lets the text or grid lines underneath show through naturally, without a white box around your signature. If you are starting from paper, sign with a dark pen, take a clear photo in good light. Remove the background using any basic image tool and export as a PNG with transparency. Crop tightly around the signature so you don't have extra margins and save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Now, let's place it in Google Sheets. Open your sheet and navigate to the spot where you want the signature to appear. Go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and select Insert Image over Cells. This option is key in Sheets because it lets the signature float above the grid, so you can put it exactly where it needs to go rather than locking it inside a single cell. After it appears, click and drag to move it to the signature line. Use the corner handles to resize it proportionally so it looks natural, small enough to fit the space, but large enough to read clearly. If you need precision, zoom in a bit so you can line it up perfectly with your signature line. Next, let's add it in Google Documents. Open your document and place the cursor exactly where your signature line appears. This ensures the image lands right in the correct spot. Go to Insert, then Image and click Upload from Computer. Pick your transparent PNG. The signature will insert at the cursor location. From there, resize it with the corner handles until it fits the line neatly. Keep the proportions intact so the signature doesn't look stretched or squashed. Because it's transparent, it should blend naturally with the text and any underline you've added for a signature line. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up: use a high-quality PNG so the signature stays crisp when resized, and keep multiple versions if you often sign different kinds of documents or need different sizes. Google Apps save changes automatically, so once it looks right, you are done. That's it. Thanks for watching.